I am back with the another tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you how I create this logo animation in After Effects. Let me quickly show you the composition settings. By the way, you can download the vector file, the link is in the description below. Let's create a null object and make sure it is positioned at the center of this circle. Just select all dots layer and parent them to the null layer so we can animate these dots together. After that, simply rename the null layer. Then simply select the maximum duration of this animation. Next, select all the layers, press S on the keyboard to reveal the scale properties and add the keyframe accordingly. I set the scale value of the dot layers to 0% at the first frame and 100% scale at the last keyframe. For the null layer, I set the scale value from 800% at the first keyframe and at the last keyframe it is set to 100% scale. Then I am animating the rotation properties of the null layer. The last keyframe value is set to 0. The first keyframe value is set to minus 360 degree or minus 1 degree. Check the RAM preview. Next, select all the keyframes and easy is them. Check the RAM preview. As you can see, easy ease keyframes makes your animation so smooth. After checking the RAM preview, I adjusted the scale keyframes of the null layer to achieve a perfect motion. Then select all the layers and pre-comp it, giving a name to this composition. Go to the effects panel and search for CC ball action. Drag and drop it onto this composition. After that, add keyframes for rotation, twist angle and grid spacing and change the values accordingly. You can customize the twist angle and rotation values according to your requirements. I am just showing you the way, but the destination is yours. Once you are done, check the RAM preview. I think I should change the grid spacing value from 2 to 0 at the last keyframe. This looks better. Next, all you have to do is split the composition layer and adjust the duration. After that, simply add keyframes for the opacity properties and change the values as shown. Then delete the effects from the first composition. This way we can achieve the final look of the logo. As you can see here, we achieved smooth transition. That's it. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.